O thou incomparable God, O thou Lord of the kingdom, these souls are thy heavenly army. Assist them, and with the cohorts of the Supreme Concourse make them victorious, so that each one of them may become like unto a regiment, and conquer these countries through the love of God and the illumination of divine teachings. O God, be thou their supporter and their helper, and in the wilderness, the mountain, the valley, the forest, the prairies, and the seas, be thou their confidant, so that they may cry out through the power of the kingdom and the breath of the Holy Spirit. Verily, thou art the powerful, the mighty, and the omnipotent, and thou art the wise, the hearing, and the seeing. O God, thou seest my weakness, lowliness, and humility before thy creatures. Nevertheless, I have trusted in thee, and have arisen in the promotion of thy teachings among thy strong servants, relying on thy power and might. O Lord, I am a broken-winged bird, and desire to soar in thy limitless space. How is it possible for me to do this, save through thy providence and grace, thy confirmation and assistance? O Lord, have pity on my weakness, and strengthen me with thy power. O Lord, have pity on my impotence, and assist me with thy might and majesty. O Lord, should the breath of the Holy Spirit confirm the weakest of creatures, he would attain all to which he aspireth, and would possess anything he desireth. Indeed, thou hast assisted thy servants in the past, and though they were the weakest of thy creatures, the lowliest of thy servants, and the most insignificant of those who lived upon the earth, through thy sanction and potency they took precedence over the most glorious of thy people, and the most noble of mankind. Whereas formerly they were as moths, they became as royal falcons, and whereas before they were as brooks, they became as seas through thy bestowal and thy mercy. They became, through thy most great favor, stars shining on the horizon of guidance, birds singing in the rose gardens of immortality, lions roaring in the forests of knowledge and wisdom, and whales swimming in the oceans of life. Verily, thou art the clement, the powerful, the mighty, and the most merciful of the merciful. O God, this is a broken-winged bird, and his flight is very slow. Assist him, so that he may fly toward the apex of prosperity and salvation. Wing his way with the utmost joy and happiness throughout the illimitable space. Raise his melody in thy supreme name in all the regions. Exhilarate the ears with this call, and brighten the eyes by beholding the signs of guidance. O Lord, I am single, alone, and lowly. For me there is no support save thee, no helper except thee, and no sustainer beside thee. Confirm me in thy service, assist me with the cohorts of thine angels, make me victorious in the promotion of thy word, and suffer me to speak out thy wisdom amongst thy creatures. Verily, thou art the helper of the weak and the defender of the little ones, and verily thou art the powerful, the mighty, and the unconstrained.